Good evening, America. Here's the clean truth. Rotation is gravity in disguise. A massive object spinning fast doesn't fall. It's centripetal force, clamping everything to the rim. If the rim is big enough, like Saturn big, your feet feel glued. Same glue, different angle. Gyroscopes don't make gravity, they it. Their torque pushes sideways, but it's the same math. Mass times angular acceleration equals the tug you call weight. Bottom line, Earth keeps you down by curving space. A gyroscope keeps its wheel flat by curving momentum. Both tricks use one word: inertia. The universe doesn't care if you're standing on dirt or orbiting in steel. It only asks how fast and how round. Gravity's just spin we can't see.
Are people stuck to the Earth not because of a magnetic pull in the middle, but because we're all caught in the spinning whirlpool that a giant ball of mass creates? Yeah, gravity isn't a magnet. It's the Earth saying stay by curving the whole damn road. A gyroscope inside a kid's toy shows the same curve. Its wheel keeps pointing the same way not because it loves the sky, but because the mass is moving sideways so fast, the sideways becomes down. Same rule. Earth's whirlpool is just a bigger, slower spin. Your feet feel the floor the way a tightrope walker feels the rope. No magnet, just motion. Quantum teleportation be possible in space, since we're weightless there and bodies are too heavy to teleport on Earth? No, weightless doesn't mean massless. Your mass is still the same. 60 kilos don't become 0 kilos just because you're floating. Teleportation isn't about how heavy you feel, it's about how many particles and how tangled the data is. In space, there's no gravity pushing you down, but there's still the full atomic head count. And to teleport, we'd have to copy or entangle every quark, every electron, every damn neutrino in your brain and skin. That's not weight, that's information volume. And that volume doesn't shrink in orbit. Still too big, still too slow, still impossible. But hey, in space, if we could do it, you'd blink from the ISS to Mars and never feel the ride. No seatbelt, no vomit, just gone. Until then, we'd beam coffee, not consciousness.
You asked, is going back or forward in time the same as teleportation? No, teleportation moves your ass across space in 0 time. Time travel keeps your ass still but slides the clock. 2 different axes. One is where, the other is when. If you teleport, the watch on your wrist ticks normal. If you time jump, the stars jump while you yawn. They use the same math. Space-time is one big rubric, but punching the where button and the when button hit totally different threads. One gets you a new zip code, the other gets you a new calendar year. Totally separate hacks.
Every atom in your body is in a different quantum state now than it was 5 seconds ago. The you that was sitting here a minute ago is dead, replaced by a statistically identical twin. Teleport that dead you anywhere, and it's not you. It's a copy with no memory of what it just forgot. To go back, you'd have to reverse entropy for a planet-sized system. That means unscrambled eggs, unbroken glasses, unthought thoughts. And the universe's second law, the one that says disorder grows, is the only law harder than gravity. But forward, that's easy. Go fast, close to light. Time.
Yeah, fold the sheet, punch a hole, crawl through. That's not time travel, it's a shortcut. The hole is a wormhole, a tunnel that stitches 2 distant points together. You don't change time, you skip the scenery between A and B. The past isn't back, it's over there on the folded sheet. So if you fold 2025 next to 1955 and crawl, you're not reversing time, you're stepping sideways in a curled-up universe. But here's the catch. The second you step out, the hole slams shut. The sheet springs flat. You can't go back through. The crease is gone. Entropy said no. You can bend time, but only once, one way, and the universe erases the receipt.
You asked, we can loop back through time if we bend it, but can only go to the future by moving fast, right? No, bending doesn't loop. Bending makes a tunnel. You crawl once, then the tunnel collapses. You can't loop, the sheet snaps back. Going forward? Yeah, that's real.
Accelerate near light, time slows for you. You return, everyone's old. That's not tunneling, that's stretching your clock. Two different tricks. Bend equals shortcut. Speed equals stretch. One folds the path, the other pulls your heartbeat apart from everyone else's. Neither gives a rewind button. Every photon that could tell us never makes it past the horizon. It's not that the information dies, it's that it's locked. The surface, the horizon, works like a one-way door that records everything that falls but gives nothing out. So the other side is like a page with writing you can't read. We know the words are there. We know they're stamped in 2D on the edge. We know they never come out. But the content? No one reads it. Could you make it? Could a spider? No, because survive needs a direction. And in there, direction is gone. All you have is distance, and distance is 1, the only number left. So it's not death, it's a sentence written in no language, and the paper is the universe. But if you ever read that sentence, you wouldn't come back. You'd just be the pen.